हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 6 साइंस नवनीत असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3A। डिस्क्राइब द फॉलोइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विद डायग्राम्स। चैप्टर नंबर 9 एंड 11 के नंबर 1, टू शो दैट द प्लांट दैट ग्रो इन डेजर्ट लूज लेस वाटर थ्रू ट्रांसपिरेशन। आंसर materials. A potted cactus, potted green plant, 2 transparent polythene bag, thread। ये आपका फिगर है और प्रोसीजर है आपका। नंबर 1, टेक ए पोडेड कैक्टस एंड ए लीफी प्लांट। सेकेंड, द ट्रांसपेरेंट पॉलीथीन बैग टू द ब्रांच हैविंग द लीफ ऑफ बोथ द प्लांट्स। थर्ड, लीव both the plants in the sun. Fourth, observe the inner surface of both the bags. After a few hours, do you notice any differences in the amount of water collected in the 2 polythene bags? Observation: the polythene tied on the cactus plant has less water droplets on its inner surface as compared to the polythene on the other plant. Conclusion: plants that grow in desert lose less water through transpiration. To prove that plants respond to stimuli. Apparatus material: potted upright plant. Number 1, choose a window in your home through which sunlight enters sometime only during the day. Place the potted plant in the room but a little away from his window. Continue watering the plant for a few days. 4 number, observe that the plant grow upright like plants or out in the open or its bends. Note the direction. Observation: the plant bends toward the window in the direction of light. Conclusion: the plant responds to stimuli. Third number, to prove that light travels in a straight line. To prove, aim है आपका to prove that light travel in a straight line. Apparatus material: 3 cardboard of equal dimensional candle thin rod. यह है आपका फिगर। मेथड है आपका, टेक 3 cardboards of equal dimensional, place all 3 cardboard and each other and pierce a hole through all of them with the help of the thin pointed rod. Third number, arrange all 3 cardboard. 4 number, now pass thin rod through the holes of cardboard so that the holes remain in a line. 5th number, now place the burning candle one side of 2 arrangement. 6th number, try to see candle flame from the opposite side of the arrangement. 7 number, now slightly shift any one of the cardboard and try to observe the candle flame. Chapter 12 and 13 के question, to check whether the given material object is conductor or an insulator or electricity. प्रोसीजर है आपका, ये आपका फिगर है। Take a electric cell, a torch bulb and 3 wire. Second, connect all the wire as shown in figure. Third, leave a small space in between the free end of the wire. Conclusion है आपका, the given material object is a conductor or an insulator of electricity. Given material: key, eraser, plastic, scale, metal, stick, glass, bangle, iron, meal, coin, rubber, pins, wooden block, pencil, lead, thermocol, paper. Apparatus material: electric cell, torch, bulb, 3 electric wire, insulating tape. नेक्स्ट आपका नंबर है सेकेंड नंबर, टू प्रूव दैट ए बार मैग्नेट free to rotate in the horizontal plane always come to rest in north-south direction. Apparatus material: bar magnet, wooden stand, thread. Procedure: number 1, take a bar magnet. Second है आपका, put a mark on one of its end for identification. Third, tie a thread at the middle of the magnet so that you can suspend it from a wooden stand. ये आपका फिगर है। From a wooden stand in such a manner that the magnet can rotate freely in the horizontal plane. 4 number, let it come to rest. Mark 2 points on the ground to show the position of the end of the magnet when it comes to rest. 5th number, draw a line joining the 2 points. This line shows the direction in which the magnet was pointing in its position of rest. 6th number, now rotate the magnet by gently pushing one end in any direction and let it come to rest again. Mark the position of the two and in its position of rest. Note down your observation. Observation, the magnet always come to rest at a same direction. This is the north-south direction. Conclusion, a bar magnet freely to rotate in the horizontal plane always come to rest in north-south direction. 3rd number है आपका, to prove that like pole of two magnets repel each other and unlike pole attract each other. Aim to show that unlike pole of a magnet attract each other and like pole repel each other. Apparatus material 2 bar magnet wooden stand thin strong thread. फिगर है आपका ये, और फिर आपको ये बनाना है फिगर में. फिर प्रोसीजर है आपका नंबर 1, take 2 bar magnet A and B, suspend one magnet A with a silk thread from suspend so that it is free it to swing. Now hold B magnet and bring it to near the north pole to north pole. You can see A moves away from magnet B. This so that like poles repel each other. Now bring north pole B magnet to near the south pole of the magnet. It moves toward magnet. It's so unlike pole. Observation table है आपका. Pole of the suspended bar magnet, pole of the bar magnet held in. तो नंबर 1 है नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल का आपका होगा अट्रैक्शन. साउथ पोल और नॉर्थ पोल का आपका होगा अट्रैक्शन. नॉर्थ पोल और नॉर्थ पोल का होगा रिपल. साउथ पोल और साउथ पोल का होगा रिपल. कंक्लूजन, दी अनलाइक पोल आर अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर एंड लाइक पोल रिपेल ईच अदर. चैप्टर 5 के क्वेश्चंस. नंबर 1, टू प्रूव दैट एयर ऑक्यूपाइज स्पेस. एपैरेटस मटेरियल ग्लास बोतल, ग्लास वेसल, वाटर. ये आपका फिगर है. प्रोसीजर नंबर 1, fill a vessel with water up to 3/4. Second, now insert the glass bottle upside. Enter the bottle or not. Third, tilt the bottle slightly. Note down your observation. Observation, when the bottle was upside down, no water enter in it. When the bottle is tilted, air bubbles are seen coming out it with water entering the bottle. Conclusion, air occupies space. Second number, to show that air is dissolved in water. Apparatus material, beaker, water, wire, mesh, tripod, burner. Procedure, take some water in a beaker, heat it slowly. Look carefully at the inner surface of the vessel. Place it on a tripod. Stand. Tiny bubbles will be seen. When you heat water, the air dissolved in it escape and form bubbles. Hence, we conclude that these bubbles come from the air dissolved in water. Conclusion, air is dissolved in water. Third number, to show that soil contain air. Apparatus material, lump of dry soil, beaker और glass water. ये आपका फिगर है. Procedure, bring 2-3 dry soil lumps from nearby field. Second number, place these lumps in a beaker. Third है आपका, add water to the beaker such that the lump gets covered with water. Fourth, observe the water carefully. After some time, observation, bubbles start coming out of soil lump. कंक्लूजन है आपका सॉइल कंटेन एयर. इसी के साथ आपका 3 खत्म होता है. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा, इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.